Number system conversions will continue. Binary to decimal. This is the fourth conversion. We've already completed 3. The fourth one is binary number system to decimal number system conversion. Let's start taking an example. Binary number. Now I think you can very well give me an example of any binary number. Let us take this for example, 110111. This is an integer part only. This has to be converted to, this is a binary number which is required to be converted to a decimal number. Okay, now the proceeding for this is, first of all, you just have to write down these numbers, leaving some space in between. So we have 1, 1, 0, followed by 1, 1, and 1. Now you have to multiply each digit. So we'll put the multiplication symbol by what? By 2 to certain powers. So let me just write down multiplied by 2 for every number over here, starting from the rightmost bit. Okay, starting from the rightmost bit, that will be multiplied by 2 to the power of 0. And then we'll proceed towards the left hand side, increasing the value by 1 each. So the last bit, the rightmost bit, was multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Then the very next one will be multiplied by 2 to the power 1. Next, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 5. Okay, we have to put a plus sign in between. So finally, we will solve this and get the required decimal representative number for this given binary number. So the first step, now after this you can just make sure that wherever you have 0 being multiplied with any other number, so that part will be cancelled, because this will finally come out to be 0 only. So we will ignore this particular value. Okay, and we'll proceed. So this is 2 to the power 5 into 1. So this is 32 plus 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 ones are 16. Plus 2 to the power 2 is 4 into 1 is 4, plus this value is 2. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So this becomes our final decimal number, which you can add and check. So this will come out to be 6, 4, 10, 12, 15, and this is 3, 4, and 1 from the carryover. So we get the decimal number 55 as the decimal equivalent for this particular binary number. All right, this was the working if we had only an integral value. Now say for example, this number was 110,111 point, say 101. So that means now the fractional part has also been included. So let's work out for the fractional part. For the fractional part, the integer part, the same working would be done. And for the fractional part, this decimal point. So here we will continue towards the right hand side and we will write the digits 0, 1, and 0. Again, similarly, multiplying it by 2, here also 2, here also 2. Now becomes the powers. Here the power will be -1. So here we're going to proceed from left to right. In case of the integer part, we proceeded from right to left and we multiplied it with 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and so on, increasing order towards the left hand side. But now, since we are dealing with the decimal part, the fractional part, so we have to move towards the right hand side. From left to right, we will move, and the powers will be -1, -2, -3. Do not forget to put the plus symbol in between. All right. Now, after this, remember, if it is 0 being multiplied with any other value, final value will come out to be 0. So let's just simply cancel this. So this value will be added to the already conversion of decimal integer value. So it will be added here only. You can continue. So this is actually 1 upon 2, that is half, that is 0.5, plus this is 1 upon 2 to the power 3. Okay, so that is, you can directly write this 1 upon 8. Okay, so this was the decimal part, 55 was the decimal part, and now we are going to continue showing the working for 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. So what we finally get is 0.625. 0.625. This value you will get by adding these two values. Okay, 1 by 2 is 0.5 and 1 by 8 is 0.125. So adding these two values, you will get 625. So the final decimal equivalent for this given binary fractional number, the entire number with the integral part and the fractional part, is 55.625. So this was finally binary to decimal conversion. Thank you.